Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you'd replace your lights, or the light. So we did the high beam light, which is this one right here. This is the old unit. I'm just showing you how it's done while it's removed, but you do have enough space that you can reach in there from behind or remove the wheel well, pull that back a little bit, and you can get better access to replace these lights. So because this one's removed, it's spun around so that we can see what it is. So we're going to now replace this light, which is your daytime running and would be your low beam light. And so this one, you're going to take it after you've unhooked the electric connector, return it a quarter turn to the left, and be able to get that to come undone. And then here is the light as it's been removed. And this is an H11 light bulb. So you'd get a new H11 light bulb and be able to take it, install it, know that you'll have it at about a 45, and then be able to install it straight down and then hook up your electric connector. And so that's how it would install, say, the low beam / daytime running light on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.